So your question on the discussion board, you want to factor this trinomial. Well, when you're factoring, first thing you always do is look for GCF, greatest common factor. So you look at the three terms, see if they have anything in common. Well, in this case, they all have, they're all divisible by 4, or they all have a factor of 4. So I rewrite each term as 4 times what it takes to get this original term. So 4x squared, 4 times 10x is 40x, 4 times 9 is 36. And I factor the common 4, leaving me with x squared, the 10x, and the 9. Now I want to factor further, so it's a trinomial, and what you want to do is factor it into two binomials. I use what's called trial and error, or reversing the full method. So I make my parentheses here, and the product of the first terms has to be x squared, so that's pretty easy. It has to be x and x. That's the f. Product of the last terms has to be 9, so that's got 1 and 9. Then the product of the inner and the outer the sum of it has to be 10. So this product's 1x, the product of the outer is 9x, that sum's 10x. So if you multiply this, you should be able to come back to what you started with. Hope this helps.